So we got the boy bailing Daddy's butt out tonight. Daddy hurt his back today. Having trouble moving. So the boy here decided that he volunteered to come and help me feed the cows. Worked out perfect. I can lift and lug on just about anything, but geez, if I get cramped up in a spot too long, like today working on a unit, holy cow. Well, in a couple more days will clear up. Yeah, look at him go. That's what we want right there. A worker. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? Well, he's even smiling when he works. That's perfect. That's good.
Are you talking about servants?
Servants? You don't even pay rent here.
Yeah, it's probably because I've only got $8.
$8? Well, I don't have $8. Where'd you get $8?
You've got more than $8.
Oh, that's it. The rent just went up to $8.50. Nah, we'll let you out of this month's rent. You're helping me out.
I never paid rent in my life because I don't have a job, for one. I'm not supposed to pay rent for that house. You're the one who built it.
Oh, yes. Future millennial child. Well, he's doing a good job helping Daddy. Well, some of you wanted to see the cows. Here's some of them. You can hear the calves in the background. They're getting weaned off. That one with the white on her head, that's the one you can always hear in the background. All the time, screaming at us. So, anyhow, not a lot going on here tonight, but the idea of some stuff to come. A lot of this is going to get fenced in this spring. All this junk that the guy used to own this land put this in here. So hopefully we're going to get that kind of cleaned up this spring. Perfectly usable little trailer there though. So I'm walking like the Tin Man today, but cows have to get fed. So any of you guys who are looking to get into cows, looking to do that, this is the realities of it. The cows don't care if your back hurts. They don't care if it's 20 below zero out. They want to eat. They want their water. So, it's your responsibility. You got to take care of them before you take care of yourself. So, anyhow, we only have 9 here right now. Another 20 up the road. They're always watching the boy and myself working.
Oh yeah.
So the boy here, he's helping me tonight feed them because I am dying here.
He comes in.
Anyhow, unfortunately,
the crooked old man.
Crooked old man, he says. That's nice.
No, I mean like the crooked old man.
Like the crooked old man.
He's...
But anyhow, gotta flip the bale. You guys are feeding with round bales. It's no fun sometimes, but it does beat handling square bales all summer long. Oh.
I don't know how you can do that with that back.
Yeah, it's alright, but anyhow, easy way I found to do the square bit or the round bales is
Pitch and hay.
well, I usually feed with a tractor, but since the ground's so soft, buddy, you want to pitch that under stuff in there. But if you get a good lot peeled off of the top of the bale, you can flip it up good, and then you'll get a lot of good loose stuff on the bottom that's a lot easier to pitch. So, well, like I said, the realities of owning cows. We'll do some more. I wasn't planning on doing anything of us just out here pitching hay and stuff, but I guess some of you folks wanted to see the cows and what we're into. You can see all the mess too. That's good for you. But you can tell how muddy that is. Them poor cows. It's like that everywhere. This one says hi. Yeah, what's happening?
Some parts down here that aren't too loose.
Now you got to peel them up a little bit at a time, a little bit of a layer. I said the only reason we're pitching hay right now is just it is so muddy. I don't want to rut everything up beyond. So usually just before the ground thaws out, I'll move a bunch of bales over here against the fence, and then look at him go. Look at him go. That's what you want out of a 9-year-old right there, a hard worker.
People are probably going to be saying he's 9.
And like all 9-year-olds, he wants everybody to think he's about 20 years older.
People when I was in 2nd grade thought I was 10.
No, yeah, oh yeah, 10's a big number when you're 9. Hey, you'll be 10 soon enough. Don't rush it. I can't believe I'm making a video of feeding cows. I swore I wouldn't ever do that, but what do you do? I guess people these days like to see kids actually work.
Or just like to see family.
Or just like to see family. That's right, buddy. Anything you want to say to the folks at home about raising cows?
They're very hard, but it's worth it.
What do you like about it?
You get free meat.
Yeah, it's free, all right. What else you like about it?
Just
Any pointers you picked up?
what do you mean?
Well, you got any pointers for the folks at home looking to get into this?
They eat tons of hay.
They eat.
Need a lot of water. There's some drink gallons a day.
How many gallons a day can they drink?
I read about it one time, but I can't really remember.
Something like 40 gallons a day per animal, something like that.
Yeah. We need a lot.
Something else you folks want to consider if you're looking to get into cows. You gotta better make sure you have good water. Our well dries up. It doesn't totally dry up, but it gets slow returns in late fall every year the last few years.
Oh, yeah.
But other than that, I mean, we water the 9 or 10 we've had here the last couple of years. We water those without any problem. These girls came out of winter really well.
They're not all girls.
Well, there's only one boy in this group.
Yeah, well, you said these girls. So you're pointing out that there is one boy. I can't really tell which one it is. I know it's not her. That's what Bailey named it, I guess.
Yeah. Now he is
A good meat.
He's a second from the end right there.
He's so big.
Yeah, he's pretty good.
Huge.
These cows here, they're 3.5. He's just the right size to do what he's got to do.
That winter on Saturday in January. That was a cool day.
Why is that?
You guys roam free.
Yeah.
Got a few steers, and then the best day comes.
What's the best day?
Free meat day.
Free
Also
meat
known as
day.
Butchering day.
He's kind of sick about the butchering. The boy likes the butchering.
No, I just like the steak that they drop.
And that's something else, you guys, if you're looking to get into cows or animals, raising them, that's something you really got to come to grips with. It's the worst part of the whole process is raising these things up to the size you want and then having to kill them. But, you know, it's good to know where your meat comes from. That's a pretty important thing with all the chemicals and crap they put in your meat these days. It's really nice to know what it's coming from. We don't really do this for money. You know, we're growing slowly, you know, and eventually we'll start selling to pay the property taxes, but we do this mostly for our own eating right now. My father-in-law and I do this together. Said we've got another 20 head up the road. I think we're going to make a sale this fall, but for the most part, you know, it's mostly for our own eating. Probably have more money into this farming than we're ever going to get back out of it by the time you pay for equipment breakdowns, things like that. But, so you think that's enough hay there, buckwheat?
Maybe not. My arms are just getting tired.
Yeah. Look at him go.